is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira te tui, kia waganui te tui.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Ai ngā mana e ngā reo raurangatira mā tēnā koutou katoa nau mai, haere mai ki tēnei tukinga i wanga nui i a ahuriri. Rāua ko St. Patrick's College Silverstream ko hau tēnei ko moi her husband e mihi kawatu ana ki a koutou ko tūhono mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Anā ka tākorohia ngā kapa e rua nei ki tēnei o ngā kura tuarua Feilding High. Mō te first 15 top 4 e te iwi. Kia ora koutou and welcome to this massive Hurricanes Secondary School Rugby clash today. Two proud schools go ahead. Head-to-head with plenty on the line as Napier boys take on St. Patrick's College Silverstream. Tātou mā, he kemu nui tēnei. This is more than just another schoolboy fixture. In fact, it's a strong performance from either team could open the door for a Hurricanes representative top 4 semi-final next Friday, the 4th of September, in our top 4 competition. For these young players, this is an opportunity to put themselves in the shop window, to represent their schools with pride, test themselves against elite opposition and potentially take another step towards representative rugby in the Hurricanes region. Tātou mā, big mihi once again to Whakata Māori and all the hāpaio for both tournaments that have sort of taken place throughout this year. The Super 8 competition I'm speaking to, and also the Central North Island competition. It's been a buzz, bringing you over 3,500 hours of rangatahi sport here on Whakata Māori. Nei rā te mihi, ka titiro ake tātou ako ake nei ki ngā kapa tuatahi, ko te kapa o ahuriri. In our propping positions, we have Blake Hooton and Monty Waihape. Kai tikape ko Harry Jones, ko ngā pauwhitiki e hoa mā, ko Tom Morris, Brad Pearce. Flankers are Oliver McLaughlin, Cooper Kinnear. Keep an eye out for Captain Carter Perry, co-captain, and Harry Bain looking to steer the ship. Topa Tahi, he's had a great season so far. Will love it. Our left-hand winger is Riley Winchester, and our centres, our Toru Koata, our Charlie Worsnop, and Sakaraya Pauri. Our right-hand winger is Davis Hansey, and our fullback, Kairo Te Hiku o Te Kapa a Riley Wainga. On our bench, we have Ikeda, Ewart, Hunga Hunga, Onekawa Maki, Withers, Shalford, and Kemp. As we flick over and have a nohi at the Silverstream St. Patrick's College lineup. Langi, Hunt, Vaitupu, Martin, Ferretti, Thompson, Sanau, Tufui, Marino, Fletcher Cooper in with co-captaining reins with Ryder Thompson. Our backs, from the back is Jackson Rupitini. Wingers Salakai Kenny and Troy Waldrum. Shea Taitua and Nathan Saleh are the centres, coached by Carl Davis. Welcome once again e hoa mā ki tēnei tukinga nui whakaharahara ako ake nei. Kuhu puta mai ai ko ngā kaitākaro. Ko ahau tēnei, ko Lewin husband, ko moi her husband, e mihi atu ana ki a koutou, e hono hono mai nei. Napier boys arrive with a talented squad, e hoa mā, featuring a mix of size, skill and experience. They've already been through a demanding season of high-level rugby union, including their Super 8 campaign, where they tested themselves against some of the best, strongest first 15 schools in the country. That's certainly going to be important today. Strong Super 8 experience from this Napier outfit. A team accustomed to big occasions, powerful full pack, dangerous outside backs, and strong leadership through Carter, Perry, and Harry Bain. As the teams make their way out, this is Silverstream in the white and blue, and Napier with the Hoy. And plenty of versatility and impact available from the bench as well. Napier boys know what a big match day feels like, Tatoma. They've been through the battles of the Super 8. And now they have another challenge in front of them pathways towards Hurricane representative honours at the top 4 tournament. St. Pat's, on the other hand, bring their own proud rugby identity, and they're determined to make this Hurricanes qualification fixture also. Ryder Thompson and Fletcher Cooper co-captaining. Proud Wellington Rugby School tātou, they have a strong representative pathway. Silverstream understand what is exactly at stake. When you get to this stage of the season, form is important, but composure, discipline, and taking the opportunities is crucial. Players to watch are Napier, Carter Perry, co-captain, and Harry Bain, alongside Will Lovett. Keep an eye out also for Davis, Hansey, and Riley Wainga. As Napier about to kick off with the haka. Ana ko Napier tērā e hoa mā. Silverstream, ko te pru me te mā. Napier in the baby blue, they're running from right to left. Silverstream, led by Ryder Thompson and Fletcher Cooper.
Keep up. Can I help get them sticks? Keep up.
Keep an eye out for
Can I help get the sticks?
Vai Tufui. Also, Jackson Ropitini, an important player in the backfield.
Surely the other caddies aren't going to.
Fullback's always waiting for the opportunity. One loose kick on broken defensive line, and suddenly the game can change. I'm looking for some awesome matchups by Carter Perry and Val Tufui. Battle at the back of the scrum. Harry Bain versus Jacoby Marino, the scrum half battle. Will Lovett and Fletcher Cooper, the battle of the tens. This could be where the match is won tactically. And at the fullback, the two important fullbacks start to Riley Wainga up against Jackson Ropitini. And like orite ngā kapa e rua, ko tai ki te wā o te kapanga, o te pakanga e hoa mā. Tukinga nui tēnei, tino nui kei runga te mana. O ngā kura e rua I te poraka.
Oh, really?
Kāti, e hoa mā nau mai, anō ki tēnei tukinga. We're about to get underway with Napier Boys High School
Could have turned the wind down.
kicking duties, 35-minute halves.
Yeah, and they should be catching the ball.
Conditions not the greatest. Engari e hara I te mea e ua ana. Engari kei te kite atu tātou, kei te kaha pupuhi te hau. We're on the way. The Hooters are out. Napier with defensive duties earlier on as Silverstream have red numbers, which is both helpful to me as a commentator and to you as the viewers. Welcome once again to this broadcast. It's been a buzz bringing you coverage of secondary schools rugby union throughout the season. I'm Lewin Husband. Neira te mihi. Excited for the top 4 tournament next week too, down in the Manawatu. First, hapa. Ana he taka whakamua. Napier Boys High School, one of New Zealand's most recognised rugby kura. Certainly got a long, proud tradition. So we see Feilding High School's honours board as well, pretty impressive. Up the back there. Ka tau te nono ke ina nei. Tōna te kaumita te tawhiti i te rārangi piro. Tōna rima neke atu mita i te paitaha. As Harry Bain sets it. Love it. With the duties. Hands up work by Oliver McLaughlin. Forwards just getting their hands on the ball. A hidden spin by Monty Waihape. Bain with the duties of direction. Bit of a bubble. Frustrated at himself. Cleared out nicely as Silverstream get an opportunity to work their way out of their red zone. Long ball, expansive footy. Te kaumarua tera a Oakley, Nathan Saleh. Strong tackle by the defensive line of Napier. Another error. Who's there to tidy it up? Pick and go on the spot. Just some pressure built. First point to the Napier Boys High School. As the time stopped for a player who's down. Just unable to grasp the number. Oh, half the try can be awarded to him. He was the man in the moment. Able to jump on a handling error. Showed great patience not to advance the ball. More so play it back to his teammate. Kara Puri Tiki taku mōhio te kaikapene tuarua. Te mana ko ia. Ka piki te ora. Let's hope he's all right. So he jogs his way back. Clock's back on. Kicking duties. Mahi takirua. Tohu tera o te hau. Te kaha o te hau meki. We'll love it with the kicking duties. Harry's in there too, ensuring there's a decent strike. And the flags are raised. Seven points to Napier in this early stage of the top 4 top 4 spot. When you talk about traditional rugby schools in NZ, Napier's name's certainly got plenty of mana. It's a school with strong sporting tradition. Decent kick and decent take. Silverstream looking to respond. And Wellington's leading Kuda. They have strong reputation both in the education space and the sporting circles. Silverstream, an opportunity. Upper Hut in the house. Well, Tato Mothers has clashed between two schools with rugby running deep through their identity to Akiritanga Napier Boys High School from the Hawke's Bay region. Have got their Super 8 experience up against St Patrick's College. Silverstream representing one of the strongest rugby schools environments in the country. Different regions, different journeys throughout the season, but both teams here with the same goal. Tato mā kia ora anō, welcome to what's a massive occasion. Opportunities for a top 4 semi-final on Friday. Silverstream looking to respond to the early try. Long ball taken nicely there by Jarvin Hunt. Knockback. Ngari ka hoki mai anō te referee ki te hāmene. Tūhapa ana, offside. Fletcher Cooper looking to kick to the corner. We saw a nice moment with Sean Fitzpatrick and Adi Savir and the All Blacks recently. Signs of a true leader. Friendships, relationships, brotherhood. One of many hua outcomes e hoa mā of college footy and sports in general. It's a line-out's thrown, taken in nicely by Ryder Thompson. Whakarite ana te moro. Hanga hoki whakamuri ana Silverstream. Apo neke. Kobe Marino been told to utilize the pill. In and going. With wind like this, it's important to keep the ball tight and close. Short side. Long ball. By himself though. Does well to stay in there. Fletcher Cooper not having a bar of it. Koya. Maka Whakamua. Yeah, must be a little bit frustrated with themselves. I was impressed when they decided to keep the ball close. Merawake. Once again, just a quick nohi at the team list. This is our Napier boys. Oops. Line up. And this is our Silverstream squad here. Carl Davis. Great counter scrum. Silverstream with the ball. Awesome work by Vaitupu, Martin, Ferretti, Thompson, Sanel, and Tuifui. So our All Blacks up against one of the greatest rivalries of the South African scrum as well. Advantage being played. Held up as the referee stops the clock. Wants to have the word to the gents. Having a word to the captain, Carter. Silverstream. So we're back underway. Lining up with their hands rubbing together. Inches away from the chalk. Hitting and spinning. Held up the referee. Held up once again. Awesome defence by Blake Houghton, Monty Waihape. Dropout duties going long. And with the wind behind them. St Patrick's, Silverstream. Troy Walden carries tip on there from Fletcher Cooper. A few penalties building up, tātou mā. Me tūpato a ahuriri. Karawe hoki te whana whakawaho. Excited to see Nathan Saleh and Shea Taitua. Two opportunities with the ball. Wrapping around the back, Jackson Ropitini also. Salakai Kenny in the pink headgear. Being patient on the right wing. Jumpers are up, taken nicely by Ryder Thompson. Silverstream. Looking for options and opportunities. Cleared out by Ryder. Jacoby Marino. Out the back, here is the man that we were requesting. Jackson Ropitini. Marino. Off to Langi. Langi still going. Thompson. Hands on it. Marino. Silverstream. To the open side, we play with a crossfield kick. Put on the toe. He allowed it to bounce. Paikea tu kia hopukina te poro rani. Awesome option there by 10 Fletcher Cooper. Thought Salakai Kenny could have just did a bit of a Keanu Kenny. Confidence are high. We're tapping and we're going by Tupu's way. Ferretti by Tupu Ano. Big boy bubbles it. Got to be impressed, those eagerness to be involved. Substitutions already. As 23 comes on. Must be Kuraboda. Welcome once again e hoa mā ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Clearance kick made. Silverstream. Been somewhat suffocated, but had plenty of possession. Doing it well there with building their phases. Isaac Sanele. Forwards game certainly at the moment with Bezalel Ferretti. Put on the toe by Fletcher Cooper. Clean up work at the back. Semi-heavy on feet as well. This is 15. Ropitini out to his left-hand winger and Troy Waldrum. Silverstream just unable to crack the Napier defence. Awesome pick and go there. Little bit one out. Mihaide Atira. Ryder Thompson only knows one way, that's forward. Making some distance up the middle here. Frustration, they put the maina. Napier produced roughly 13 or so All Blacks, according to the school's program. The likes of Greg Somerville, Brad Webber, the Crusaders. Webber's a great example. Well, the young players wearing the Napier jersey. He came through the school and its rugby system before, representing the ABs. The Evans boys, Zach Guilford as well, All Black winger. For St Patrick's College, Asofo Aumua through the Hurricanes and into the ABs. Tyrell Lomax, Thomas Waldrum, who went to represent England as well. That's his tama. And Troy Waldrum as well. So Silverstream's alumni is also quite fierce.
Run, Riley! Run!
Footwork. He had some great skills keeping himself in. Referee AR on the spot, making the call. All these strong Hurricanes connection through this match with Brad Webber, Gareth Evans, Asafo Aumua, Tommy Waldrum. They've all progressed in the professional game. Lineouts thrown. Engari Heti Taha. Kati no mai e wama. Welcome once again. This top 4 prep tournament. Napier boys did really well. Putting a halt to that huge phase of possession. 10 plus minutes by Silverstream. Unable to capitalise. Clean out duties by Waihape. Referi kaha nona te puri te paoro. Aore mo te whakawate o na ringa.
Catch it as you jump in, boys. Catch it as you jump in if you're outside. Let's go, still pressure, still pressure.
Te kaumita noiho te tawhiti o te kiki. As we see the pauhaki of our AR, how handy the wind is blowing in the backs of Napier this first half. That's why line out duties are challenging. Thanks once again to Anchor for supporting this kaupapa. Ka nui te mihi kia koutou. Hop, skip and a jump. Long ball. Doing well. The boys from Ahuriri. It was Riley Weinlein and Avis Hansey. Turnover. He's been everywhere. It's Jacoby Marino. Solid contact. That's what mums and dads have turned out for. Maybe not the mums and dads of those players in particular. Footwork off the left foot. Fletcher Cooper has height and skill. Ryder Langi having a jam. This is Vaitupu. Vaitupu. B. Ferretti. Show and go. Defence at bay. First five once again. Not afraid to get his hands dirty. Awesome run there. Flick back on the inside. This is number 8, Val Tufui. Ryder Langi with the bust. Turnover. And Pat's on the back. Cooper Kinnear. So we'll love it. Looks to get down the other end of the field. 55 metres out from his own try line. Hamilton High's too strong in their 2026 Super 8 comp. Knocking over Napier. Congrats for them to even make the final up against Hamilton boys as they march their way down the field. We'll love it. Tips on to Sakaraya Paudi. McLaughlin. That's Ollie McLaughlin. As the chainsaws, minus the blades, accompany the horns and this orchestra here at Feilding. Willie Tran, coach of Napier, has been an awesome advocate for college sport, for kaupapa Māori, for raising well-mannered, respectful young men. Mihi ana kia koe, Willie. Ka mutu. Ako te kāhui ohu whakahaere me ki o te kapa whutuporo nei. Napier boys, kara, karting. As Harry Bain finds an opportunity on the right-hand side. Napier crawling their way forward. Monty Waihape crashed. Plants the pill back. Tom Morris with the duties. Pressure on here for Silverstream. Waihape. Monty, stripped. Ko wai ke atu. Tērā o ngā hawhe peke, Kairo. Ki taku mōhio a Jacoby Marino. Looking to clear it. And they do. Fletcher Cooper. It's a decent punt, however. Tawhiri Matia's here at play as well. Just over 10 minutes to go here in this first half. Minutes remaining here while my Napier boys continue to hold that 7-0 crucial advantage.
Every line out here passes. Yeah, you can't move until the ball leaves the line of touch.
Napier made most of their opportunities, but Silverstream still in striking distance. Climbed nicely as Napier on the front foot. Not rolling away. Ia ki te referee kahatia e Tran. Tohu ana kai tākoro. Go for the penalty conversion, please, sir. We'll love it with the kicking duty. We saw how impressive his boot was for the conversion post the first try from MΑORI. Flags are up. Lead stretches out. 10 points to Napier. Still yet to score a Silverstream. Thank you to all those that have subscribed to our MāORI Plus channel. New Zealand Secondary School's top 4 first 15 rugby quarterfinal here for the Hurricanes region. Napier boys taking on St. Patrick's College Silverstream. There's other games happening around the Motu as well as we prepare for the top 4 nats. Catch and kick. First time in a while, Silverstream down this end of the park. And able to turn things over. Prime opportunity for Silverstream to put some points on the board. Mua tonu atu I te tangi o te pūtātara. Been a real forward-dominated clash. Is there an opportunity? Some of these outside backs to put something on here, lining up, communicating with one another. Asale and Taitua. Shea waiting at bay. Front door play. Messi. And we're not talking about the football. Another go past jail. card for the Napier boys outfit.
Is that golden point done or not?
Hamilton got 2 red cards.
That's crazy.
Nah, they're still going at overtime. I thought you could play 70 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, because if this draws, then it'll be scored.
I'm set. 5 to go. Strong by Silverstream. And the ball's turned this way. E aha, na te aha. Left foot. By Shea Taitua. Be patient here, the boys from Windy Wellies. Showing and going. Going aground. The forwards wrap the ruck. That of a Korowai. Vaitupu. Inches away. Looking to put some points on. Silverstream. Tipped. Great defense once again from Ahudidi. Short. That's Vaitupu. Fully deserving. Advantage. To Jakupa. Knew that there was some advantage being played and attacked. As someone's going to the bin. How can Napier stop rain or the raid from Silverstream? Keep an eye out for Vaitupu lining up as we speak. That's Ryder Thompson. Bummy shrugged. Short. Once again, outstanding defense from the second place Super 8 champs. Silverstream knocking on the door, but no one's letting them in. Referee's gonna stop the clock here and have a little hui with his AR, seeing up to the Tauteporo, Aukatirani. Ata territory. Oh, he piro. Oh. That's why you have sideline officials. Not too long to go here. Me te aha. Ko te hau kei te tuara a te wahanga tuarua. Kicking duties. Fletcher Cooper. Throws it over. Flags are raised. 10 plays 7 here. Now top 4 Rugby first 15 final for the Hurricanes division. Napier boys up by 3. Me te aha he kai tākaro e whakatā ana. Kāmatu. Some paths Just what the doctor ordered before half-time. Anā he piro tērā. Au e taukuri e. Bit too confident. Fletcher Cooper. This is second or third error so far. Te rongo ia i te a mai. Worked so hard to get points on the board and then turn it over in this field position. Let's hope for his sake that Silverstream are able to hold him out. Scrum set, short side. Oh, unlucky. Napier will want to run that back again. Davis Hansey. Taka whakamua. Final minute or so here this afternoon at Feilding High School. As the raukura, or the ikāwhiro that have representing the kura dress the weatherboards of the kura. He tāne he wahine. He ingarangi he ahai te iria. Scrum set. Silverstream just looking to clear it, knowing only one way, and that's forward body on the line for Charlie Worsnop. Half-time e Huama, Kāti e Huama, o pau te wā, ki te wahanga tuatahi. Hoki mai koutou ako ake nei. We're going to throw to a break. We'll be back for the second half of this top 4 First 15 Hurricanes final between Napier Boys High School and St Pat's College Silverstream.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whiako pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Top rangatahi go head to head. Watch live and free. Winter tournament streaming live ki MāORI Plus me YouTube.
Action! You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, but they have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Akati, hoki mai e hoa mā, e hoki mai, ki tēnei o ngā tukinga. Wahanga tuarua tēnei. Wahanga tuarua, top 4 first 15. Hurricanes final, Napier boys up against St. Pat's College Silverstream. Napier dominant for the majority of the first half. Silverstream certainly had their chances. Scored finally, and the difference between the two teams are only 3 points. Me te aha ko te hau kei te tuara o Silverstream I tēnei wahanga tua rua. Bearing in mind, 14 on the paddock at the moment for Napier. Silverstream got the wind in their back, at their backs. Napier still lead. We've got a real contest on our hands, Tatoma. About to get underway. Hooter's gone. Fletcher Cooper kicking duties. Receives well by Napier. Only a 3-point margin there, while Silverstream's response showed some resilience in the first half. Napier need to not take a backwards foot or try and protect their lead. Referees taking nothing also, so discipline certainly important. It's time for Carter Perry and Harder Bain to level up. Waitupu had an outstanding first half. Put on the foot there, chased with decent speed. That was Waldrum. Maybe should have dived on the pill rather than putting it to the toe. Dare Paku. Kōriri I reira.
Center 22, on the line. Stay on the line. Stay on the line.
Only 2 metre dropout. Three points separates these two teams. Looking for an opportunity to represent the Hurricanes region in the top 4. Looking to level things up here. Fletcher Cooper, the duties. Wind at his back. Thanks once again to Caltex anchor Whakata Māori, the Waddell Associates AVP. Te hunga e whakahuatia ana ngā hākina kina nei, Polo Projects anō hoki. As Freddy Krueger tries to put Fletcher Cooper off. And he's unable to. As the flags are raised, we have an even ball game here. It's 3 more points to the SPCSS. Great response. Nilo le aiki e tihi. Hit a piece. Silverstream fought their way back. On the other side, given an inch. Tatoma, this is exactly what sort of pressure you'd expect with so much riding on this result. Boys don't want the season to end. Penalties for days. Rua nei, ai whakātu atu I te kaha me te manawaro o te tangata. Me taha, e mea nui kia uu ki te mahere. Te kaha hoki te kōkiri whakamua. Na kō ai rā ka arake I tēnei wahanga whakamutunga. E wā whakahirehira tēnei. Throwing duties. Harry Jones as well there, does Napier. The ki whakamuri ana. Cleared out nicely. Love it. The Sakaraya. Love it. Another grubber. Cleaned up by 15 and cleared by 10. Riley Winchester showing and going. Paudi. Tom Morris. Lock to lock. Locking and loading here. Tackled strong, chopped down. Itirere te kahikatea kataya. Kaiti kapea Harry Jones. Napier carrying the Silver Boys up the stream. Coming back to a discretion. As we're into week 7, next week of the school term. Prime time for CAA's, common assessment activities. Kids are trying their best to their hands on some qualifications. As we know with this current government and the changes they're making, all the shifting of the goalposts. Excuse the pun. It's been an awesome game here. We're locked up. Could go either way. Waitupu, solid contact, but somewhat bumps the ball runner over the line. Captain Kara ki taku te tiro. Napier, giving the goods. Kiki ua tēnei, ma will love it. Mama noi o mana. Just want to remind our listeners and viewers how important the bench has been throughout the season. In the sort of last third of the game. Awesome clearance there by Harry Bain. Throwing duties taken nicely. Silverstream, what can they do? As the momentum ebbs and flows here at Feilding High School. Waitupu being involved aggressively as the ball goes backwards. Referee's got some comms from his AR. So we hear the groan and the moan from Dad Zaplini. Just another example as to how fierce this wind is. Throwing duties for SPC. Jarvin Hunt. The job here. Keep an eye out for Ryder Thompson. Engari. Whiuke ki te tuatahi. Silverstream. Playing with confidence. 15 breaks away, throws the ball over the top. Try by Troy Waldrum. Silverstream respond in awesome style. What a ball there from Jackson Ropitini as we have another look at it. Fletcher Cooper, early tip on, little in and out. Short ball there, nice from Shea Taitua to Jackson Ropitini. And the ability to loft the pill over the top of the defender into the midst of Troy Waldrum, second to none. Piro atu, piro mai e hoa mā. Kāri ko atu, kāri ko mai te kounga o te tākaro. Ko wai katohu, ko wai kahua. Ko te kau mā rima. Ko te kau mā whitu I nainena. $17 le hoa mā. What a beauty. Clock stopped, and that's right, there was someone in the bin who's allowed back on now. We're on the way once again. Tap back nicely there from Napier. Advantage. Being played. Captain Carter choosing the short side. Brad Pearce. Fierce. Alongside Waihape. There we go again. This ball on the toe. Knowing full well that the advantage was in the back kick. Wind on the right. Lovett's gonna try and steal a few more meters. Ten meters out. As mums wave from the sideline alongside the Blue Smurfs. Thanks to those that have come out to Feilding today to celebrate our youth sport. Big ups. As Napier look to march their way and put their noses in front once again. As referees arm stretches once again. By himself is 7, Cooper. Kinnear. Long ball. Breaking tackles. Held up. Coming back to the penalty. 20 minutes to go here. The substitutions come aplenty. Having a word with the cap. Napier testing. As Brad Pearce crosses the chalk. Pātatara wātu ki ngā paukoura. A tirohia no tātou. A tirohia tātou. Ana. Footwork. Kisses the deck as well on the way. Brad Pearce. Raised. 24 plays 17. Coming up to the 17th minute mark here in the second half of the top four. Final. Hurricanes, Rohe, Napier up against St. Pat's College, Silverstream.
Napier left again. Let's go, Napier!
Vai tupu. Te taha poto. Kei te aha ke ratau. Ngā matahi, ngā paku. Ko langi tērā. 19, ko eke ki te whira show and go. Work there from Donald Ma. Jarvin Hunt. Butterfingers. Nā ko Donald Ma tērā.
Go, Zach! Go, Will! Go, Davis! Get under it! Go, Davis! Go, boy! Take it back. Let's go!
Most of the calls going to the visitors.
I've never actually seen him
Big mihi once again to all of you that have tuned in to our coverage throughout the year. Rangatahi sport, certainly top priority for Whakata Māori,
Have it again!
for the revitalisation of our reo, for the opportunities. For our rangatahi, our taiohi, our leaders of today and tomorrow, some exposure. To thank once again Anchor, Caltex, Apollo Projects, Huru, Bailey's, showing and going. There's our topatahi, ara, ko Fletcher Cooper. Raidalangi. It's been try for try. Tip for tat, tatou mā, mo te roanga ake o tēnei tukinga. Shea tai tua. Been impressed with Jacobu Marino. He's had an awesome game. It's recycling. The boys in blue and white. Nice tip on there. Back yourself, Mr. Tupu.
Davis, yes, Davis! Yeah, boy!
What a turnover. Just when you thought Silverstream, some pats, had a sniff.
Solid, Vito! Whack.
Fletcher Cooper.
Clean it up, boys. That's us.
Just like to thank all the commentators here next to our camera operator, providing us with some second opinion.
Monty, warrior.
It's a strong carry by Jarvin Hunt.
Shot Bano. Oh, Bano's missing.
As we're still crawling. Troy Waldrum Dera, Vaitupu. Amaono tēnei Ryder Thompson. Can Poneke, te upoko te ika. Wero, ahuriri. Meters.
Too talky. Oh, come on.
Too strong. Confidence aplenty. Fletcher Cooper, as the co-captain, takes it in his stride as we have another look. Distribution outstanding. The way Isaac Sanele recycled here, and so did Marino. Long ball, little goosey on the outside. Turns back on the inside, slams the board down saying, yes, what's up? Better reward those points. Edua. Hiro te rereketanga e Oama. Try for try once again. As the flags are raised, Tato Ma, we're locked up at 24 apiece. This is what it's about, Tato Ma. Secondary schools rugby in this division is tough. Both teams giving it all for their opportunity to represent the Hurricanes region in the top 4 national finals. Friday the 4th of September is when it starts. We're on. Aroha ana. Maka whakamua. Carl Davis will be stoked. Our Silverstream are just staying in it. Congratulations once again to all teams present and their efforts throughout the season. $24 apiece. Coming up to the 24th minute. We're all square. E te iwi. What a first half, and in fact second half we've witnessed. Both teams throwing everything at each other. As all the momentum swings from both sides like a pendulum. There's nothing between Napier and Silverstream. E huama. Me te aha, he hāmene. Kick a ball for Fletcher. Especially with the wind. Wera te kōwhiringa e wama. Fletcher Cooper keeping his team in the fight. As our Scala chainsaw turns over once more. The flags are raised. 3 points extra. First time I think that Silverstream St. Pat's have held a lead for near on an hour. (27-24). The Hurricanes final here. Difficult when the wind's in your face. Opportunity, however, for Napier. Well, as we know, it's somewhat much more about the result on the scoreboard. It's about representing their whānau. As we see Napier responding in true fashion. Harry Jones getting that 5-pointer.
Westlake and Kelston, so they drew, went into extra time, it was still a draw, and then went into like penalty kickouts.
I think you're allowed to do it.
Yeah, same, because every other that's only 7 minutes at school, right? So
Kicking duties. We'll love it. The spirit fingers are lifted by the Māori Smurfs. No good. Wasn't feeling the Waidu on that one. We'll love it. Secondary schools, Te Wama is an important part of the pathway into different opportunities. Rugby academies, programs, provincial games, provincial rugby, and even the professional game. But not everyone gets there, and that's okay. 29-27. Penalty gifted to Napier. Behind every Taitamatane wearing this jersey today, there's so many people there to help and that have helped them get there. O ngā mātua, ngā kau mātua, parents, grandparents, tuakana taina, tuahine tungane, coaches, teachers and teammates, of course, every player and their family. As we know, it takes a village. Silverstream getting another crack. Me pehe kore ai. Referee's been very supportive of some teams. Would have thought that Silverstream would have backed themselves in terms of a penalty conversion. Line-out duties for Jarvan Hunt is MΑORI is on the paddock. Keep an eye out for him close to the line. Silverstream driving their way up the paddock, out the back, squaring things up. It's Shea Taitua. Footwork once again from our Topatahi. He's got height, he's got strength. Chop down with a penalty right out in front. No doubt Cooper has a word to his co-captain and rider and the referee. Confidence in the man. Throwing everything at them, a Silverstream. Millimeters short. Number 17, the big fella. MΑORI finds himself trapped as the hand is stretched once again. The hand that gives Napier nightmares. As some pets, Hato Patariki. Squeeze their noses ahead one more time as we have another look at it. Referees on the spot. We can see the TMO in the back, about 20 of them or so, with their hands up, and the St. Pat's College respond in true fashion here. Flags are raised. We've got a ball game under 5 minutes to play, e hoa mā. Rugby IQ comes into play here. Haven't kept tally on the number of penalties, but discipline has been a huge factor for both teams. As the ball goes back into the grips of Napier. Harry Baino hasn't given up at all.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Rua miniti e toi ana.
Move them, let's go!
5 points diff. Napier. Mate, has this been a script or what? Whoever's storyboarded this game deserves a medal. Napier. Running low on energy. But I'm sure they'll find some inno as they try and pip Silverstream at the post. Cleared out strongly. Silverstream got to be careful not to give away any penalties or in fact a penalty try or lose a man. In fact, they've received a blessing. Whole team's full of captains now. Gutted for Napier. They've been the dominant force for the bulk of the game. Full credit to Silverstream though. Some pats.
1 minute of that.
Haven't backed down. Every time Napier got up, so too did Silverstream. So did St. Pat's. Could have went either way. $34 points to 29. St. Pat's ahead. What a turnaround here, Wama. We were locked up at 24 all just moments ago. Silverstream found another gear. Looking to close it out. And they have. Look at the joy and also the disappointment, tātou mā. It is what it is, e te iwi. SPC, too good. In this Hurricanes final, finding their way to beat the Super 8 second place college rugby outfit and Napier boys. We need to keep their heads up. Once again, it's been a privilege bringing you coverage here on Whakaata Māori and on our Māori Plus YouTube platforms. Congratulations once again to St. Pat's College Silverstream. Commiserations to Napier. Ko ea te wahanga ki ahau e hoa maka tutaki anō tātou i a tātou. Hei te whakataitai a te rawiki e tū mai nei kāti mana e ngā reo e ngā raurangatira mā. It's been a privilege bringing you coverage once again of the top 4 First 15 2026 Hurricanes final between Napier Boys High going down to St. Pat's College Silverstream. Kia mau tonu mai.